Hey guys, my name is Pranav. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to talk about how to use your smartphone as a second monitor. So I just written this small awesome blog. So basically, first of all, we want to know why would you even care using your smartphone as a second monitor? Because so the reason is that it increases the multitasking. Okay. Second is that reduces the tab fatigue. For example, you have so many tabs open, and sometimes it gets messy. It doesn't look good, or it just it doesn't it breaks your workflow properly. So that's why having a second monitor is important. And why we need a smartphone as a second monitor, just the best answer to that is this: it's budget friendly, it's completely free. Suppose you have a smartphone that you're not using much, or you have there is a every home has a phone that nobody uses. It's just there as a result of buying another phone. Or suppose you have purchased a tablet that you did not use, because this same script this same steps will be applicable on a tablet as well. And suppose you have purchased a tablet that you're not using anymore, and so you can use that tablet as a second monitor. So basically you don't have to spend anything, and you still use a second monitor. Okay, to do that, what we're going to do is, first we need to go to this link. Basically the link is here. So first is that install the specific driver on the Windows machine. So you go to this link and click on this download according to your operating system, click next and finish the installation. After that, what we do is we open the Android app. If you're using tablet, you just go to Play Store, make sure that the tablet is a Android tablet, and go to this Google Play Store, search on Space Desk, and then install it as well. Now what we need to do is that the step 3 talks about connecting the devices. So first you open the Space Desk on your Windows machine, and then you also open the same app on your Android application. After you do that, you will see a connection already built. I mean, there will be a list of connections that you can connect to. Basically, what it tells you is that they have since the app is open in both of the devices, it would already establish a connection. So you just need to click connection. I mean, the connection, this IP address that you're showing, you just click on there. As soon as you do that, you would see whatever the screen that you're showing, your Windows PC has, the same script will showing up in your smartphone as well. So basically it is mirroring the screen, but we don't want to mirror those screens. Okay, we want to extend it as a second display. So for that, we need to do some other adjustments. For example, what we need to do is that we need to go to display settings of your Windows machine and go to set a display, and you will see one two displays. First of all, you would need to go and select on show only one display. So which would mean that only one display will show up, and your second display, which is the your smartphone, will show nothing. It will be a blank. So what you need to do is that you need to click on the gray. Once that is the first, it will start showing up only one display. You will need to click on the second screen, the second get a gray display. Once you click that, and you need to this time set at as extend these displays, which means that the first display would be your Windows machine, Windows laptops display, and the second display would be served as a extend these displays, and it would be served as an extended display. Okay, now as soon as you click do that, you would see that your idle home screen of your Windows PC would be showing up as well in your in your Android smartphone. Okay, now what we need with the last thing that we need to do is that suppose we have a tablet. Okay, Google, I'll just open a tablet, Google. Okay, I want to use this I want to drag this. Actually, I want to use this as a second monitor. I want to put it on my second monitor. So what I want to do is that I would just drag it like this, and drag towards the right of the screen, which would when you do that, what will happen is that as soon as you drag it, the half of the portion will start appearing on your smart Android smartphone. And you need to set it up properly in this Android smartphone and even maximize it. You will be able to do that. And once that is set up, you can use it as a second monitor. Okay, it can be a notepad, it can be a browser tab, it can be a standalone application, it can be anything. Like, just think of what you want to use as a second monitor. Okay, so that's how you do use your smartphone as a second monitor. It can be also used on a tablet as well. Now, So this is all about how to use smartphone as a second monitor. And to talk about something else, I'm also, I also provide services. So these are the services that I provide. If you want, if you're stuck on anything that you want help at a very cheaper cost, you can, go to this service page and click on send us request now. Also, if you want to you want any tech help, you just click on this contact us and submit the form. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So that's it for this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.